Hi there, welcome to Crochet Critters. Today I just wanted to go through what the same pattern can look like with multiple different types of yarns and how it can change the size of your pattern, so you can use the same pattern to make different size toys or even cute little key rings. So this is my axolotl pattern here, and you can get this from my Etsy store or you can check it out for free. I've got the YouTube tutorial for this one live at the moment. So I just wanted to go through these different yarns that I've used here and show you the size differences that are created by using different yarns. So to start with, I'll go with, this is more my standard size that I do a lot of. So this is using the Hobbii Honey Bunny yarn, and it turns out to be, whoops, as you can see, this size. And then compared with the Premier, as the Bloom Chenille, which makes it ever so slightly bigger. I don't know if you can tell, there's just that slight difference in size there. So it's slightly chunkier than the Hobbii Honey Bunny, so it just makes it ever so slightly bigger. And then this is the exact same pattern, but I have used a really thin chenille yarn with this one, and it comes out super cute. I think it's the Lionbrand Nap Time, I think it's called. And I love how it comes out super cute and tiny, and I've popped a little key ring on it, and it makes perfect little key ring size, but exact same pattern, but massive size difference. And then you've also got this big chunky guy, which I have made with a blanket yarn. So nothing fancy or anything, but exact same pattern as the others, but massive size difference just by using a different yarn, and obviously a different hook as well, but just a bit of fun to compare them. Like, you can make so many different toys using the same pattern just by changing up your yarn and changing up your colors and everything. So when you're crocheting and making toys, make sure you have some fun with it. Change your yarns, go big, go small, have some fun, change your colors, experiment, and you can get so many different creations out of one pattern, and I just think it's super cool and amazing. And thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I will be back soon with some more tutorials. So thanks guys, see you later.